Cardiovascular disease risk assessment through sensing the circulating microbiome with perovskite quantum dots leveraging deep learning models for bacterial species selection. A study conceptualized and implemented by Division of Environmental Biotechnology, Genetics and Molecular Biology, EBGMB. Indian Council of Medical Research, National Institute for Research in Environmental Health, NIRE, Bhopal. Cardiovascular diseases refer to a group of disorders affecting the heart and blood vessels. These conditions include coronary artery disease, cerebrovascular disease, such as stroke, rheumatic heart disease, peripheral artery disease, congenital heart disease, and deep vein thrombosis, among others. According to World Health Organization report, CVDs continue to be the foremost cause of mortality globally, responsible for approximately 17.9 million deaths each year, which constitutes about 32% of all global fatalities. This impact is particularly severe in low and middle-income countries, LMICs, where roughly 85% of CVD-related deaths occur. Out of the 17 million premature deaths under the age of 70 due to non-communicable diseases in 2019, 38% were caused by CVDs. The likelihood of developing CVD escalates with advancing age, predominantly affecting individuals over the age of 65. While men face a higher risk at a younger age, postmenopausal women experience a comparable increase in risk. Non-modifiable risk factors include age, gender, and genetic predisposition. In contrast, modifiable risk factors encompass hypertension, tobacco use, diabetes, obesity, physical inactivity, and poor dietary habits. Recent investigations suggest that individuals with CVD have altered intestinal epithelial barriers, which not only increases gut permeability, but also cause intestinal barrier dysfunction, IBD, heart failure, portal hypertension, bacterial translocation, and inflammatory bowel disease. Numerous variables, such as gut dysbiosis, prolonged intestinal transit moment, poor dietary fiber intake, acidosis of the metabolic system, gut ischemia, and edema, have been proposed to explain the failure of gut barrier in CVD. The resulting rise in gut permeability ensues stimulation of host inflammatory reactions and may permit the movement of intact bacteria, bacterial components, and gut-derived toxic substances through the walls of the intestines and into the bloodstream. Recently, it has been observed that the people with CVD and related disorders have bacterial genomic fragments in their blood. These bacterial genomic fragments were observed to have a significant impact on the activities of polymorphonuclear neutrophils through phagocyte activation enhancement, chemokine induction, adhesion molecule regulation, and promotion of neutrophil trafficking. It was noted that the 16S rRNA gene is prevalent in the majority of Proteobacteria bacterial species found in circulatory microbiome of individuals with CVDs. For the identification of the most prominent bacterial species in CVD, we first imported datasets and libraries and then utilized the LSTM modeling process to analyze and select relevant bacterial species. Our selected datasets focused on systolic diastolic blood pressure, fasting plasma triglycerides, and the relative abundance of bacteria, as these factors have potential links to CVDs. Before constructing the model, we pre-processed the data by dividing it into training and testing sets and reshaping it to meet the input requirements of the LSTM model. After gathering the necessary data, we applied the LSTM model and discovered that Bordetella littoralis, Hymenobacter properis, and Virgosporangium myomerans were the most abundant species among CVDs. Using these findings, we developed probes for the species predicted by LSTM deep learning model and created nanobiosensors to assess the risk of CVDs. The procured bacterial 16S rRNA probes were subsequently biotinylated at the 3 position with the aid of Pier's RNA-3 biotinylation kit. To create a nanohybrid structure capable of detecting circulating microbiome, 16S rRNA, with stable and efficient features, the immobilization of streptavidin on the perovskite quantum dot surface was performed, and the conjugates, PQDs plus streptavidin, were mixed with pH 7.4 ppb to produce a homogeneous dispersion. Biotinylated probes were then added to the PQDs plus streptavidin conjugates at a ratio of 1:1, streptavidin tethered PQDs to biotinylated probes, followed by vortexing the mixture at RT for 1 hour to facilitate streptavidin biotin covalent bond conjugation. The mixture was incubated at 4 degrees Celsius for a whole night in order to give the nanohybrid structure enough time to construct. These steps were performed to ascertain the nanohybrid structure's high stability and successful development for further experiments. The developed nanohybrid's ability to detect 16S rRNA was assessed using nanocytometry and a multimode microplate reader. Plasma samples were prepared by high-speed centrifugation and 0.45 micrometer filtration. A nanohybrid solution and propydium iodide as an intercalating dye were added, and the samples were incubated in ice-cold conditions. Evaluation was done in the VL1H for PQDs and BL2H for PI channels of the nanocytometer. Fluorescence microscopy was employed for colocalization study to evaluate the high-quality fluorescence properties and detection capabilities of the prepared nanoconjugates towards 16S rRNA of 3 distinct bacterial species. After fabricating the 3 nanohybrids, their fluorescence and detection capabilities were assessed using microscopy and flow cytometry. The PQD's native fluorescence was analyzed under DAPI 405 by 450 nm excitation emission with pi as an intercalating dye. In image 1, a blue fluorescence indicates streptavidin conjugated PQDs. Image 1b shows red fluorescence at trit 535 by 615 nm after adding the biotinylated probe, confirming probe selectivity for the target gene. Image 1c shows purple fluorescence from the overlap of blue and red, indicating nanohybrid formation and specific binding to 16S rRNA, supporting detection accuracy. A scatter plot, image 1d, represented colocalization. Nanocytometry showed a distinct shift in pi fluorescence when the 16S rRNA hybridized with specific bacterial oligonucleotide probes, indicating effective pi intercalation and specific targeting of 16S rRNA in the nanohybrid structure. Further, we tested streptavidin conjugated PQDs for detecting 16S rRNA. PQD's fluorescence decreased due to size increase and restricted electron movement upon binding with streptavidin. Biotinylated probes enhanced fluorescence. Pi and probe combination showed the highest fluorescence. Bacterial 16S rRNA binding caused a redshift and fluorescence intensity change, demonstrating the system's potential for specific detection. In another study, the nanohybrid system successfully distinguished target genes in different samples. It effectively identified a specific 16S rRNA sequence within a complex biological matrix, demonstrating impressive precision and selectivity. 2 fragments of 16S rRNA were used, including human mitochondrial 16S rRNA, which closely resembles bacterial 16S rRNA. Furthermore, our sensitivity analysis was performed to assess the change in the fluorescence with changing the concentrator of the analyte. The method demonstrated exceptional sensitivity, capable of detecting 16S rRNA even at low concentrations. This heightened sensitivity holds promise for the potential clinical applications of our nanohybrid system, particularly in situations where precise and sensitive detection is paramount. Please like, share and follow the channel for more updates. Keep discovering.